Okay, it's Sunday and I just got off here wherever I am. I'm just trying to fix this shit. That's good. Okay. So yeah, it's Sunday and tomorrow's gonna be Monday and I'll be working back again. So I'm back to vlogging now. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm back to vlogging now. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, I need to set up my GPS now because I need to go home. Cheers. There you go, lovely sunset in the city. And I'm not getting it properly. How do you do this? There you go. So that's lovely sunset, yeah. Shit, that's lovely. Let's do this again. Okay, I'm back to vlogging now. And yeah, currently I'm driving. Thing is, I'm starting to miss my RX 100 because it's still being fixed right now. So I'm heading home. It's a Sunday. Tomorrow's gonna be another work day. I was absent for 2 days last week because I was sick. I had cough and I had migraine, and I still have the cough and I still have a bit of migraine. And today's Sunday, 4 days after I was absent. But I'm feeling better now. I'm driving now. You can see that. As the other day was like I was like shit. I can't move. I can't do anything. I hope I'll be much better this week. We'll see how it goes. So I'm testing this beast out. It's saying that auto ISO. Should I set it to auto ISO? Of course, if I set it to auto ISO, it's gonna be brighter than. So it's getting dark now and it's like noisy. So it's getting dark now and I don't know. It's auto ISO. So just tell me how the ISO is going. The color's like kind of weird, but happens when you're vlogging. Anyway. Yep, I hope this thing is good. If not, I'll be selling it again. Good cars in the back. So we talk about low light. This is low light. This is low light. You can't see anything. If you get closer to the light, you can see a bit of my face, but that is low light. That's how low light works. So I'm saying this is a good camera. This is a fucking good camera. I wonder what's the ISO for this. It's gonna be too noisy now. Come on, some light, man. Yeah, some light. Focuses. Light's crappy, but that's good. Currently, I'm heading towards Don's place. No, Don's area, because we have a client meeting today, so it's getting late. It's nighttime, but I'm still on my way there. So yeah, I'm a bit late because the schedule just changed, and I just realized now that I had to go there. Anyway, heading there now. Yeah, I am. Nice lighting on my face. Nice rearview mirror lighting on my face. I'm still impressed with the color and the low light thingy of this camera. And this one's set to auto. I think it's auto ISO. I have to check the ISO if it's too noisy or not. But yeah. And look at the colors, man. Look at the colors. But planning to put neutral profile on this because I want to edit my footage and I want to work with neutral. Yeah. Anyway, I hope the ISO is good with this one. I hope it's not that crappy. Anyway, I'm still on my way towards Don's place now, and yeah, it's on the road. Done with the client meeting now and I'm heading home now. Camera's struggling with all the lights changing. Come on, focus my face on camera. Don't. Oh yeah, it's not shooting. Far out. Come on, focus, mate, focus. Oh, come on. Done with the client meeting. I'm heading home now. And yeah, it's been a long Sunday. Tomorrow's gonna be back to work. I have my med surge ready because I was absent for 2 days. It was really tough. Like I wasn't really feeling well. But yeah, now I'm heading home. focusing well. It's with the lighting and everything else. Anyway, I think that's all for now, folks. See you tomorrow. Ciao. Ciao.